Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. In our today's video, we are going to study about the uses of has to, have to, and had to. So, dear students, has to or have to are used to show necessity, obligation, or a compulsion. You use have to or has to when you need to do some work or thing in which you are not willing, but it's your necessity, obligation, or compulsion to do that. For example, I have to finish this work means it's my obligatory to do, not my will. Okay, dear students? Now come towards the sentence structure. Subject plus has to or have to plus verbs first form plus object. Now, dear students, you must be thinking why verbs first form will be used here. So, as we can see, has and have are carrying to with that, and when auxiliary verbs or modal verbs carry to with them, the verb never changes its form. Okay, dear students, terms to know. Number 1, you use has to with he, she, it, or any singular name. You use have to with I, we, they, you, or plural names. Okay? Number 3, in negative sentences, you use do or does not before has to or have to. Number 4, when you use does with he, she, it, or any singular name, you don't use has to after that. After using does, has to changes into have to because two words showing third person singular can never come together. For example, I have to clean the room. You have to clean the room. We have to clean the room. They have to clean the room. Sarah and Ali have to clean the room. He has to clean the room. She has to clean the room. Ali has to clean the room. I do not have to clean the room. Ali does not have to clean the room. Okay, dear students. Now, dear students, have a glance over some more examples of has to or have to. Number 1, he has to visit a doctor tomorrow. Number 2, I have to pay bill today. Number 3, Heather has to finish his homework. Now, students, come towards some negative sentences. Number 1, you do not have to wait for me. Zara does not have to work. They do not have to go there. Okay, dear students. Now, dear students, come towards had to. So, students, it is the past use of has to or have to. Means the thing or action which was done in the past and was a necessity, obligatory, and compulsion to do that. We use had to for telling that. Terms to know. Number 1, it shows some necessity, obligation, or compulsion of past. Number 2, we use verbs first form after had to. Number 3, in negative sentences, we use did not plus have to because did shows the past action. So had to changes to have to. For example, I had to clean the room. I did not have to clean the room. Okay, dear students. Number 1, he had to finish his assignment. They had to go there. We did not have to call her. Ahsan did not have to wait for me. Okay, dear students. So, dear students, it was all about our today's usage of has to, have to, or had to. I hope you all have understood it properly. I shall come again with another video very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.